Tell us something about Vatuk Bhairav, the origin of Vatuk Bhairav.
When Ma Kali was in a rampage mode in battle, okay, so when she goes into full force, then it's unstoppable. Nobody can stop her. She is that kind of a power. Then this child manifested, and looking at the child, her motherliness was evoked and she calmed down. That's one story that comes. This child, then it was revealed, is actually none other than, he was named as Vatuka Bhairava, Vatuka Mahabhairava. Okay. Vatuka means a small child. And slowly, when we see the larger krama of mantras and all that, we see that Vatuka is none other than Lord Shiva.